this is Richard from Supreme Company. And today, I'm very glad to stand here and represent my company. Our company starts from 2006 and our slogan is like there. Intelligent manufacturer for the world fashion industry. And that's what we are doing. And for the past years, we start from the specific machine and we are famous in all over the world. And we have a lot of dealers, and this year we start from the simple machine like interlock machine, overlock, single stitch, and we want give all the industry, garment factory, the whole solution of the anyway and solve all the problems for them. And we hope we can be the very good partner with any garment factory. Thank you, GTB.